Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your RAM ProMaster City. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your instrument cluster display. You'll use the steering wheel controls to navigate through the various menu options. Look for a section related to vehicle information or maintenance settings to find the current oil life percentage. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. Once you've found the oil life display, select it using the appropriate button on your steering wheel, usually labeled OK or a similar confirmation button. To perform the reset, you will need to press and hold this OK button for several seconds. The display should then show a message confirming the oil life has been reset. Verify that the oil life percentage now reads 100%, indicating a successful reset. This confirms your vehicle's system is updated. For some RAM ProMaster City models, an alternative method using the accelerator pedal can also reset the oil life. Begin by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 3 separate times within 10 seconds. After the third press, turn the ignition to the off position. This action should complete the oil life reset. Always check your owner's manual for specific instructions. After performing the reset, whether through the menu or the accelerator pedal method, it's important to verify the process was successful. Start your RAM ProMaster City's engine and observe the dashboard. Confirm that the oil change indicator light is no longer illuminated. This indicates the system has registered the reset. If the light persists, repeat the steps. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.